Meaning of E. coli.
E. coli.
E. coli.
E. coli.
E. coli. E. coli is short for Escherichia coli, which is a type of bacteria commonly found in the intestines of humans and animals. While some strains of E. coli are harmless, others can cause serious illness such as diarrhea, urinary tract infections, and even life-threatening conditions such as sepsis. E. coli can be transmitted through contaminated food and water, or through contact with infected animals or fecal matter. It is important to practice good hygiene and food safety measures to prevent the spread of E. coli infections.